You can charge your phone twice less times than the multiple times you do in a day because it has many useless features enabled by default. These features are running constantly and using your battery even when the screen is off. While they are beneficial, most people don't use or even know about these features, but they still run, draining your battery and slowing down your phone as they operate in the background. In this video, I'm going to show you what these features are and how to disable them to make your phone work faster and last longer on a single charge. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's dive in. The first feature you should turn off is here. Head to Main Settings. After this, scroll down to Google and tap on it. Here, tap All Services, scroll down a little bit, and tap Device Sharing. After this, tap Devices. This feature constantly scans the environment using Bluetooth to check if there are any nearby devices you can connect to. It drains the battery a lot, and it's not necessary because if you want to connect to another device, for example, to send a photo or video, you can simply turn on Bluetooth, find the device, and connect. There's no need for your phone to constantly check for nearby Bluetooth devices, so we turn this feature off. Your phone has one more similar feature, but this one is from the phone developers, not Google. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, tap Back, then tap Back again, and return to the main settings. Now scroll all the way up and tap Search. Type Nearby in the search bar. Here you can find Nearby Device Scanning. Tap on that. After this, tap on Nearby Device Scanning again. It says your phone will scan for nearby devices and let you connect to them via a pop-up or in the notification panel, even when Bluetooth is turned off. As we see, this feature does the same thing as the previous one, so we turn it off too, to avoid wasting phone battery. Did you know your phone is constantly looking for a printer to connect to? This is another useless feature that quickly drains your phone's battery and slows it down. To find this feature, head to Main Settings. So that everyone can easily locate it, we'll use Search and Settings again. Type Printing as I do. You can find Printing, tap on it, then tap on Default Print Services. As we see, your phone constantly searches for printers. Turn this feature off. Next, let's move on. In the upper left-hand corner, tap Back, then back again to the Main Settings page. After this, scroll all the way down and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, tap on the three-dot icon. This feature constantly monitors what we do on our phones, including how many times we unlock it each day and how much time we spend in every app. Most people don't use this feature, yet it still runs unnecessarily, slowing down your phone and draining the battery. In the upper left-hand corner, tap Back. Then in the upper right-hand corner, tap the three dots again and select Settings or Manage Your Data. Here, tap Daily Phone Usage. Then tap Turn Off in Settings, select Digital Wellbeing from the list, and turn off the switch next to Allow Usage Access. Now let's check our app notifications. Go back to Main Settings, scroll up, and tap Search. Type Notifications. Scroll a little bit down and tap App Notifications. Tap on it again. Here you'll see a list of apps allowed to send you notifications. But we don't need every app sending us alerts because it drains the battery. Go through this list, keeping only the apps you really want notifications from. For example, do I need notifications from WhatsApp? Yes, because I need to know when someone messages me. Finally, let's turn on a helpful feature to extend our phone battery life. Head to Main Settings again. In the upper right-hand corner, tap Search and type Battery. Tap Battery, then Power Boost, Battery Protection, or similar. Since keeping your phone battery at 100% for too long can harm it, especially when left charging overnight, developers created a feature called Battery Protection to prevent this. Turning on Power Boost can also increase the battery span, making it last longer. Turn on this feature. After this, choose Basic for battery protection or Power Boost for enhanced battery life. Now, when you leave your phone on charge and it reaches 100%, the charger will stop until the battery drops to 95%. Then it will start charging again. This is added by some phone developers and not available to everyone. This prevents damage from long charges. It's especially useful for those who like leaving their phones plugged in overnight, so I recommend turning it on. And that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a like. And as always, Thank you so much for watching.